Post-government's demonetization drive, citizens have been struggling to deal with the ongoing cash crisis, and India Today gets you a ground report from across the nation on the intensity of the drive.
Government hospitals in Bengaluru have found an innovative method not to accept Rs 500 notes. Rather than saying they won't accept it, the hospital authorities maintain that they don't have change. This is the situation just outside the Boring and Lady Curzon Hospital in Bengaluru.
We respect Mr. Narendra Modi's judgment as such, their decisions also. But unfortunately, how would I say, the change is the bigger problem over here.
We are now at the Bowring and Lady Curzon Hospital. Now, thousands of people on a daily basis come over here. Now, this is a government-run hospital and they are duty-bound to accept 500 rupee notes. However, customers, patients are facing the problem because there is no change. In fact, Mr. Raghunath over here says that when he came this morning and he gave them a 500 rupee note, they said that they do not have change.
ATMs in the area were dried up and had no cash.
Today this is our third one, but we hope that we will get money over there.
Okay.
So I think for us it's another major problem, but we always just go for the next one, and then usually it's okay for us.
In the national market in Gandhinagar, which saw a daily turnover of 1 crore, the business has fallen by almost 80%.
Nearly 50% of business is going very less. Before it was smooth. But today everyone is paying 2000 rupees note. We can't give change. We can't afford so many change in cash. So we ask public to give 100 rupees. Problem is more, sir. Everyone has problem.
The 500 and 1000 rupee notes were actually the heart of any business, because you can carry a lot more numbers, whether it is 500 or 1000. But with the 500 and 1000 going away from the market, it was a big challenge, especially for the people who want to sell and the people who want to buy.
And in Lucknow's Hussainabad, a location known for its traditional embroidery style called chicken, is facing huge downfall as these workers face the heavy brunt.
हम लोग के ऊपर बहुत ज़्यादा असर पड़ गया है, बहुत ज़्यादा असर पड़ा इस पे ये जैसे मेरे पास 8-10 कारीगर थे, वो चले गए क्योंकि हमको जो है वो उस तरीके से कोई सुविधा नहीं है.
काम करें या बैंक में लाइन लगाएं, हम लोग रोज़ हम लोग के 200-300 रुपये कमाने वाले, आधा दिन वहीं चला जाता है. 2-2:30 बजे आए, काम क्या करेंगे हम लोग आधे दिन, ये बताइए.
Even Lucknow's famous restaurant Tunde Kebab, which used to be crowded, is now empty with very few customers lining up.
सबके ऊपर असर है, पूरा भारत के ऊपर बंदी का असर है, क्योंकि हर आदमी जो है 2000 का नोट लाता है, इसकी भी दिक्कत आ रही है.
In Maharashtra, farmers are struggling to sell their stock in the market due to cash crunch, even leading to price fall.
कोई साल बहुत खराब है. 50 रुपए से लेकर 250 रुपए तक का भाव है. किसान के पैसे भी नहीं निकल रहे.
मुनाफा छोड़ो, आलू की लागत कॉस्टिंग जो है घीस से निकलने के बाद 300 रुपए प्लस गोल्ड सरचार्ज 100 रुपए का 400 रुपए प्लस 10-15 रुपए का भाड़ा भी हो जाता है. 450 की कॉस्टिंग आ रही है. माल बिक रहा है 250 रुपए का. पैसा उठ नहीं रहा किसानों का. स्टॉक बहुत है.
Bengal's love for fish is not hidden, but the centre's demonetization drive is such that even the fisheries industry is running into huge losses.
Believe it or not, most of these ponds are owned by the leaders of the ruling front, and at a time most of them are not ready to confess that they are of course running into huge losses. But the reality is that there is more to it than what meets the eye. Not just about incurring losses, but also not falling into the system.
ये जो मछली का हम लोग का बहुत लॉस हो रहा है, क्योंकि हम लोग मछली खरीदते हैं तो 120 रुपया, यहाँ से मछली जाता है हम लोग को बाज़ार में 50 रुपये करके मिलता है, 60 रुपये करके मिलता है. तो लगभग हम लोग को लेबर पे जो पेमेंट है, इसमें जो प्रॉफिट जो आता है, जो इसमें जो होता है, लेबर पेमेंट का पैसा नहीं उठता है.
The centre's demonetization drive to curb black money seem to have costed the small-scale traders, who are now struggling to deal with their day-to-day earnings, as cash largely remains their fallback option at all times. Bureau Report, India Today.